Well, welcome to What's Broken. Today it appears to be the water valve assembly on the toilet. So not a huge repair, but I thought I'd video it anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the water off, drain it out as much as possible, and then remove the assembly, and hopefully just go pick up another one and replace it. So to begin, I'll shut the valve off. The next will be to undo the nut underneath here, underneath the toilet, in order to remove this assembly. Yeah, the plastic fittings just hand tight. Get some rags down under here. Just catching some of the water in a little bowl. I'll loosen off this nut. And with all the water removed, finish taking the nut off. And I've slid the assembly out, so I'll go pick up a new one and pop it back in. So I got a bit of a different style, a little sleeker. Just gonna pop it into place. Comes with the gasket and the nut, so I'll pop it into place and hook the hose up, and then set the height of the float just by turning this thumb screw. Should mention the water tube or fill tube just pops on, and then on the other end it slides into this little assembly. Just tighten it up hand tight. So the new assembly just dropped through, tightened up the nut, hooked the water back up, and the top here, the fill tube just slides into place. So now just need to turn on the water and fill the reservoir and see what the level is. It's filling up. That water level looks a little low, so we'll just give it a test flush. This style doesn't appear to fill the water line as far as it used to. Maybe about an inch or a bit difference, but that'll also be a water saver. The other thing to check is that there's no leaks anywhere. Doesn't appear to be. So that's all there is to change in that. Hope it helped.